Hello friends, welcome to my channel Learning English. आज मैले 60 डेली युज सेन्टेन्सेस लिएर आएको छु। नेपालीमा एकचोटी र इंग्लिशमा दुईचोटी दोहोऱ्याउँछु। यदि तपाई पनि सिक्न चाहनुहुन्छ भने म सँगसँगै दोहोऱ्याउनु होला है त। Let's get started. म थोकमा किन्न चाहन्छु। I want to buy in bulk. I want to buy in bulk. थोकमा किन्न धेरै सस्तो हुन्छ। It's much cheaper to buy in bulk. It's much cheaper to buy in bulk. जमिन चिसो छ। The ground is cold. The ground is cold. मेरो चिया चिसो भयो। My tea has gone cold. My tea has gone cold. छिटो खाऊ नत्र खाना चिसो हुनेछ। Eat quickly or the food will get cold. Eat quickly or the food will get cold. बाहिर धेरै चिसो छ। It's very cold out. It's very cold out. Or you can say outside. Outside. म घरमै बसिरहेको छु। I am staying at home. I am staying at home. मलाई चिसो लागेको छ। I am cold. I am cold. उसमा कुनै शिष्टाचार छैन। He has no manners. He has no manners. आफ्नो शिष्टाचारलाई ध्यान दिऊ। Mind your manners. Mind your manners. कृपया पुनः व्याख्या गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ? Could you please explain again? Could you please explain again? ऊ खाटमुनि लुकेर बस्यो। He hid under the bed. He hid under the bed. उसले पैसा खल्तीमा लुकायो। He hid the money in his pocket. He hid the money in his pocket. के तपाई अनुमान लगाउन सक्नुहुन्छ त्यसपछि के भयो? Can you guess what happened next? Can you guess what happened next? अनुमान गर्न गाह्रो छ। It's hard to guess. It's hard to guess. उसलाई नसोध। Don't ask him. Don't ask him. तपाई सधैँ प्रश्न सोध्नुहुन्छ। You are always asking question. You are always asking question. गएर बाबालाई सोध। Go and ask dad. Go and ask dad. मलाई याद छैन। I don't remember. I don't remember. चीजहरू परिवर्तन भएको हुन सक्छ। Things might have changed. Things might have changed. सबैको लागि पानी ल्याऊ। Bring water for everyone. Bring water for everyone. ऊ हराएको हुन सक्छ। He might be lost. He might be lost. मैले तिमीलाई केही देखाउनु छ। I have got something to show you. I have got something to show you. के तिमीलाई लाग्छ म जित्ने छु? Do you think I will win? Do you think I will win? नै वा मलाई त्यस्तो लाग्दैन। No, I don't think so. No, I don't think so. बोल्नुभन्दा पहिला सोच्ने गर. Think before you speak. Think before you speak. हिजो उनीहरूबीच झगडा भएको थियो. They had an argument yesterday. They had an argument yesterday. यो कुनै साधारण फोन होइन. This is no ordinary phone. This is no ordinary phone. उनी सामान्य व्यक्ति होइनन्. He is no ordinary person. He is no ordinary person. म तिमीलाई गुदगुदी गर्ने छैन. I won't tickle you. I won't tickle you. उसलाई गुदगुदी गर्न मन पर्छ. She loves being tickled. She loves being tickled. के तपाईको हात सफा छ? Are your hands clean? Are your hands clean? गएर सफा लुगा लगाऊ. Go and change into clean clothes. Go and change into clean clothes. यसलाई सफा राख. Keep it clean. Keep it clean. तिम्रो विचार मेरो भन्दा राम्रो छ. Your idea is better than mine. Your idea is better than mine. अहिले कस्तो लागेको छ? यदि तपाई बिरामीलाई दोस्रो पटक भेट्न जाँदै हुनुहुन्छ भने How do you feel now? How do you feel now? पहिला भन्दा अलि राम्रो छ. A little better. A little better. मलाई पहिले भन्दा धेरै राम्रो लागेको छ. I feel much better. I feel much better. मैले कहिल्यै मौका पाएको छैन. I never got the chance. I never got the chance. मलाई यहाँबाट बाहिर निकाल. Get me out of here. Get me out of here. तिमी अब बच्चा छैनौ. You are not a child anymore. You are not a child anymore. ठुला जस्तै व्यवहार गर. Behave like a grown up. Behave like a grown up. केही त गडबड छ. Something is wrong. Something is wrong. उनीहरू चाँडै विवाह गर्ने जोडी हुन्. They are the soon-to-wed couple. They are the soon-to-wed couple. You came early. तिमी चाँडै आयो. You came early. म तिमीलाई अन्तिम पटक भन्दैछु. I am telling you for the last time. I am telling you for the last time. मैले धेरै काम गर्नुपर्ने छ. I have a lot of work to do. I have a lot of work to do. यसले मलाई कुनै फरक पार्दैन. It makes no difference to me. It makes no difference to me. के तपाईसँग केही समय छ? Do you have some time? Do you have some time? ऊ कस्तो देखिन्छ? How does he look like? How does he look like? तिमी दुईजना के गर्दैछौ? What are you two doing? What are you two doing? म अहिले आउँदैछु. I am coming right now. I am coming right now. यो उपहार कसको लागि हो? Who is this gift for? Who is this gift for? यो मेरो भाइ जोनको लागि हो. It's for my brother John. It's for my brother John. मलाई अझै विश्वास लागेको छैन. I still can't believe it. I still can't believe it. यहाँ पुग्न घन्टौं लाग्यो. It took hours to reach there. It took hours to reach there. म लामो समयदेखि घरबाट टाढा छु. I have been away from home for a long time. I have been away from home for a long time. मसँग उनको बारेमा बताउन धेरै कुरा छ. I have a lot to say about her. I have a lot to say about her. यस्तो अवसर फेरि आउँदैन. Such an opportunity will not come again. Such an opportunity will not come again. मैले तिम्रो लागि केही लिएर आएको छु. I have got something for you. I have got something for you. तपाईलाई भिडियो राम्रो लाग्यो भने लाइक, कमेन्ट, सब्स्क्राइब गर्न नभुल्नुहोला. Thank you so much.